Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Cera Fria is probably one of the most effective and convenient hair removal solutions available today, offering a salon-quality experience right in the comfort of your own home, making it an indispensable tool for anyone seeking smooth, hair-free skin without the hassle of traditional waxing or the pain of other methods. Number 5. Tress Wellness Award-winning Waxing Kit. Introducing the award-winning waxing kit, designed for your sensitive skin. Achieve smooth results safely and easily at home. This versatile kit is perfect for your face, bikini line, Brazilian, and even full body waxing. Get salon-quality results wherever you need them. Enjoy the convenience of an at-home waxing experience. It's designed for simplicity, making hair removal effortless. Featuring a modern digital display, this device offers precise temperature control for optimal performance. It ensures a comfortable and effective waxing session every time. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, it minimizes irritation and redness. You can trust it for a gentle yet thorough hair removal process. Its elegant black and purple flower design adds a touch of style to your beauty routine. This kit is as beautiful as it is effective. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for sensitive skin, making it a gentle option for your face and body. Its digital display offers precise temperature control for a safer waxing experience. If you have delicate skin or are prone to irritation, this is a great choice for at-home hair removal. What people say. The wax is easy to apply and remove. It leaves the skin feeling smooth and soft. The wax is suitable for sensitive skin. Number 4. KoluaWax Waxing Kit, Black. Introducing the KoluaWax Waxing Kit, designed for both men and women. It's perfect for beginners looking for a simple and effective hair removal solution. This premium kit includes everything you need for a complete waxing experience. You'll find applicators and essential pre- and post-care items. Our formula is specially crafted to be suitable for sensitive skin. Enjoy smooth results without irritation. Never waxed before? No problem. This kit is designed with beginners in mind, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. Get that salon smooth finish in the comfort of your own home. It's a convenient and effective way to manage unwanted hair. Experience the premium quality of KoluaWax. It's a reliable choice for anyone seeking professional results at home. What we like. This is a premium, beginner-friendly option that includes everything you need for a successful waxing session. It's suitable for both men and women, and even for sensitive skin types. If you're new to waxing or looking for a convenient all-in-one solution, this kit will make the process easy and effective. What people say. The wax is easy to use and applies smoothly. It effectively removes hair with minimal discomfort. The packaging is convenient for storage and travel. Number 3. KoluaWax Sea Salt and Surf Wax Beads. Are you struggling with coarse hair that just won't quit? We have the perfect solution for you. Get ready for smoother skin than ever before. Our unique formula is designed to be gentle, even on sensitive skin. You can achieve a comfortable hair removal experience without irritation. Enjoy beautifully smooth skin for up to 6 weeks. This product effectively tackles coarse hair, leaving your skin feeling soft and sleek. Specifically formulated for effective hair removal in delicate areas like the bikini line. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. We've included 10 large applicator sticks to make the process even easier. Get started right away with everything you need for a flawless finish. Discover the difference that quality ingredients and thoughtful formulation can make. Achieve the smooth, hair-free skin you've always desired. What we like. Formulated for coarse hair, this option provides up to 6 weeks of smooth skin, perfect for tackling stubborn hair in the bikini area. Its gentle formula is still suitable for sensitive skin. If you struggle with coarse hair or want extended smoothness, especially for your bikini line, this is the product to consider. What people say. The wax is easy to apply and remove, leaving skin smooth. It effectively removes even fine hairs without causing irritation. The consistency of the wax is perfect for a clean and efficient hair removal process. Number 2. BLITZWAX Brazilian Bikini Wax Warmer Kit. Achieve salon-smooth skin in the comfort of your own home. This kit makes waxing easy and effective for all your needs. Our wax warmer heats up quickly, so you can start your waxing routine without the wait. It's designed for a smooth, hassle-free experience. New to waxing? No problem. This kit is beginner-friendly, guiding you through a simple process for professional results. From your face and legs to underarms and bikini area, this kit has you covered. Enjoy smooth skin everywhere you desire. Get that perfect Brazilian wax at home with ease. This kit provides everything you need for a confident, smooth finish. This value pack comes with 6 different wax bean options. You'll have plenty to achieve your desired smoothness for weeks to come. What we like? This kit offers quick heating and comes with multiple wax packs, providing a convenient at-home salon experience. It's designed for easy melting and use on various body parts like face, legs, and underarms. If you want a salon-smooth routine at home with minimal fuss and enjoy the convenience of multiple wax options, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? This wax is great for sensitive skin and leaves it feeling very smooth. It's easy to use and doesn't require strips, making the waxing process quicker. The wax melts evenly and has a pleasant scent, which is a nice bonus. Number 1. BLITZWAX Waxing Kit for Women. Introducing the BLITZWAX Waxing Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This kit features digital fast heating for quick and efficient waxing. The easy temperature control ensures a comfortable experience every time. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit makes at-home waxing simple and stress-free. Get started on your smooth skin routine with confidence. Perfect for Brazilian, bikini, face, legs, and underarms, this kit offers comprehensive hair removal. Enjoy smooth skin wherever you need it. With 51 items included, you have everything you need for a complete waxing session. This comprehensive set provides exceptional value for a salon-style experience. Experience a new level of smoothness with this easy-to-use waxing system. It's the perfect way to maintain your routine and feel confident. What we like? Featuring digital fast heating and easy temperature control, this kit ensures a professional and safe waxing experience at home. With a large number of items included, it's perfect for a complete at-home smooth routine for your bikini, face, and body. If you appreciate precise control, fast results, and a comprehensive set for a salon-style finish, this is the ultimate pick. What people say? The Cera Fria Para Depiler is very effective for hair removal. It is easy to use and leaves the skin smooth. The product is designed for sensitive skin and minimizes irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.